Oh, you all really wanted breakfast this morning. Oh my goodness. Good job. So funny when they know that their family's in. They all come scurrying out. They were all under the bed. Yeah. Your mama's here. You excited? We still got puppies coming out from under the bed. Oh my goodness. Their pen is all clean, ready to roll. I gotta finish wiping down. I started wiping down the sides and everything, and I just gotta finish it here now once the puppies get a little settled with their family. But they're so excited. They're like, hi everybody. Some nursing. Oh, Claire gone. What is it, Layla? What is it, Ariel? Little puppies? Good morning, girls. Good morning. Didn't really get to say good morning to you. I know. It's been kind of a busy morning. We had a snowstorm last night. Ryan's out plowing the driveway. That last storm we had is nothing compared to this one. This one, there's a lot more snow out, and I'll show you guys that after. But first, they're going to nurse. Yeah. Still hungry, even after breakfast. And they literally cleaned their bowls. Their bowls were completely clean of all their food. They ate every single bit of it. And you're still hungry because you're little growing babies. Yeah. Little growing puppies. Did you pee on the pee pad? Oh, he's in amongst the crowd now. Still chasing their mama. Still chasing mommy? Yeah? Oh, let me fix it. You gonna play, are you? Yeah, gonna play for a bit. All right, and then I'm gonna take the toys out and it's gonna be nap time, okay? Yeah. What are you doing? Was breakfast good? You had your puppy gruel? Yeah. Yeah, ready for nap time. Hi, buddy. How was your puppy gruel? For your last meal today, you're going to be trying watered down puppy chow. Yeah. Oh my. The toys are soon coming out and it's soon going to be nap time, okay? Yeah. Oh my. What do you think, Kenai? What were they too? That wind is cold. They're loving it. it? Plastic? And your toys around? Yeah, is it plastic? You never felt plastic before. What is it? You've got some toys there. What is it? What are you doing? Look. What's that? Look, a new type of texture for you. Look, plastic. What is it? Come here. Here. No, I'm going to throw them at your brother. What is it, Storm? Yeah. What is it? Yeah. It feels weird, does it? Your toys? What do you think? Oh? What is it, Winner? Oh, slipping and sliding. Hi, buddy. What is it? Right, I'm going to turn on your music now. Yeah, I'm turning on your music. Well, not your music, I'm turning off your music, hey. Your music's for nap time. You gotta turn something else on now, right? Yeah, you gotta turn something else on. Oh, you're full of food. There you go, music is off. What do you think? Going in your clubhouse, are you? What? Are you going in your clubhouse? Oh, one of them coming out of the clubhouse there now. What are you doing? Hi, what are you doing, Stormy? Hi. What? You got a bit of food on your face. Huh? Yeah. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Still eating your lunch. Yeah, everyone else over playing and two of you still eating your lunch. What are you doing? You're funny. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. You're okay. Yes, she'll be coming in soon. I just gotta make sure you're all done eating and then your mommy will come in. Hey, buddy boy. What are you doing? Storm, what are you doing? Hi. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? A lot of snow falling now, isn't it? Yeah, Nala? What, Ariel? Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Daddy flicking the snow at you. A lot of snow, isn't it? I know, I see you, buddy. Ooh. Kenai's like, what?
That was just
She loves it. Layla sometimes does. I don't know why she isn't now. She's loving that though. That's the funny thing. There's a lot of snow on you, girly. Oh. All right, you ready to go in? Come on, let's go get treat. Last one to eat supper, Periwinkle. All done? Good job, everybody. You gonna pee on the pee pad? No, where are you going? Under the bed with everybody else. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna clean up the bowls now. You're all done. Going under? All right. All right, Nala. Nope, they're not in the pen, honey. They're all under the bed after their supper. They're not in there. Not yet. They're all under here. Yeah, here they come. Any others gonna come out? There we go. Oh. Oh my goodness. A bunch of puppies coming out from under the bed. Is that it? No. Is that it now? No. Still coming out from under the bed. Yeah. Still trying to nurse, are you? It is now their 8 p.m. meal time. What I'm going to do today here now, it's literally just pour some water in with the hard puppy chow to soften it. So just lukewarm water. Make sure it's all covered in it and just let it sit for a bit and soften so it's not as hard. So when they chew it, it's literally like soggy cereal. So when your cereal goes soggy, that's what you want for the consistency, the watered down puppy food. They are having their watered down puppy chow and they're picking at it. They seem interested, but they know it's something new and different. Now they will be having this tomorrow again for 2 of their meals for their 4 p.m. What are they doing over here? Tomorrow, as I was about to say before I had to break up 2 of the boys from fighting, they will be having it tomorrow at 4 p.m. as well as 8 p.m. Here they're just having it for 8 p.m. as like a little introduction to it where it is new and different from their gruel. And tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. as well as 12 p.m. they will still be having puppy gruel. They seem to be absolutely enjoying it, so that's really good. And like I said, today's pretty much their introduction to it. And then tomorrow they'll have it for 2 of their meals. Next day, 3 of their meals, and then finally the following day for all 4 of their meals, they will have the watered down puppy chow. Yeah, it's exciting. What do you think? Storm's like, I don't know. I just want to play. That's all he ever wants to do is play, 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 play. Don't you, Storm? You just want to play. Your brother, all he wants to do is play. They're supposed to have sights and sounds after their, I guess, late night meal tonight. But I don't know if we're going to do it. The power keeps blinking, as you've seen earlier when the bigger dogs were inside. It's very, very stormy out. We already lost power once today, and the lights keep blinking, so I'm afraid it's going to end up going again. So I think sights and sounds is going to have to wait until tomorrow, and they might just have a little bit of family time. There he goes, under the bed. They might just have a little bit of family time before they have to go in to their pen for bedtime. Yeah. But I don't know, I got a funny feeling the power's going to end up going yet again. It already did earlier, and I don't know. With the light steady blinking, the weather absolutely terrible with all the heavy snow. Because since you've seen the dogs, it has snowed a lot more since. And it's only coming down. Oh my goodness. Wait till tomorrow. It's a lot of snow out there now. Yeah. But you're all safe and warm in your nursery, aren't you? So guys, I think we'll do sights and sounds tomorrow. Alrighty? And you'll just have some family time before you gotta go to bed. How does that sound? Is that okay with you? What? Is that okay with you? Yeah. Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself? Alright, I'm gonna finish cleaning up their pen now and then have the others come in for family time. We still have some of them over eating, a lot of eating, and a big mess over here. One of them tipped the bowl, but that's okay. That's why I put down the disposable pee pads underneath, because I know it's gonna be a bit of a mess. Where are you going? You going under the bed, Arrow? He's like, see ya. You guys are so cute. Yeah. All right, I gotta get this done because like I said, the lights keep blinking, and if the power goes again, I don't want all you little puppies out wandering around in your nursery in case it goes. I want you nice and safe in your pen.